Today we're here for phase 2 of the Tangley Oaks Wine Community Garden. About a month ago, we had an education day where people learned the basics of food gardening and they planted these amazing planters. Well, today it gets really exciting because we're going to make this design come to life as we mirror the elements of the Tangley Oaks Wine Mansion into this amazing community space. I'm so excited. Well, phase 2 is complete for the Tangley Oaks Wine Community Garden. Is everybody excited about their beautiful new garden? Yeah! All right, well, cheers to that. Cheers!